Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make honey mustard mayo. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, and honey. Having them at room temperature helps everything combine smoothly. Start with 1/2 cup of your favorite mayonnaise in a mixing bowl. This forms the creamy foundation for our delicious sauce. Now, let's get mixing. Add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard to your mayonnaise. This provides that essential tangy and slightly spicy note. Next, gently stir in 1 tablespoon of honey. The honey is crucial for balancing the mustard's sharpness and adding a touch of sweetness. Whisk everything together until the mixture is perfectly smooth and uniform. Want to make it your own? Feel free to adjust the honey or mustard to suit your taste preferences. For an extra layer of flavor, try adding a small pinch of garlic powder or a dash of apple cider vinegar. Once perfected, transfer your honey mustard mayo to an airtight container. It will stay fresh and delicious in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Your homemade honey mustard mayo is now ready to enjoy. It's incredibly versatile, perfect as a dipping sauce for chicken tenders, a spread for sandwiches, or even a dressing for salads. Try it with some crispy fries, soft pretzels, or fresh vegetable sticks for a delightful snack. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to stay refreshed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.